Fix-It Tony here. Welcome to another episode. Today I am going to replace my air temperature sensor. This particular unit is located in the intake manifold. It helps to measure the temperature of the air coming in to the air intake, and it helps to manage fuel and exhaust and a bunch of other things. So this is still the original unit, so 24 years, and I just want to preventatively replace it with a new unit. Now, what I did learn, so the new unit I'm using is a genuine Mercedes part. My part number for this is my part number, A0105425717. I had to actually return a part because I ordered the wrong part, even though the vehicle selector said that it would fit. The problem I had when I actually did receive it was that it was a 2-pin plug, and that's not what I have. I have this sort of almost like an RCA jack type of thing, and so that's why I'm replacing it. I noticed that the little thermistor, or whatever that is, the little diode or resistor, is yellow. Mine was red. I'll take it out and show you. So to begin, what I'm going to do is place the good one somewhere where it won't fall. And I will be squeezing these two little clamps to remove it from the air intake. And then I'm going to be squeezing this back and undoing it. Now the problem is that over time this gets contaminated with dirt, fuel, oil. You may be able to clean this, but I don't know if you'll ever clean it completely. Sometimes you'll get corrosion down in here. So you can see my new one and my old one are identical, including the O-ring here. So it's a simple process of inserting it back in here and then making sure your orientation is correct vertically, because these little bridge clips, and I'm going to rotate this around a little bit and insert it, and there we go. So this should be one step closer to improving my engine performance. How will I know? I won't, but I am replacing a part that's the original and is old and could be contributing to some of my rough idle. That's really what I'm trying to solve here. So thank you very much for watching this quick episode on how to change your air temperature sensor on your 1994 Mercedes C280. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, or forward this video to someone who you think would benefit from this and have fun with it. Thank you. Bye.